Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is my 1981 Honda CB900. Currently in progress key, as you see. I got the carburetors clean, put them in, run perfect. Then the throttle cable snapped. So I literally just got it in, like probably 30 minutes ago. Right here and there, I guess. It's okay because it's push pull. We're gonna install it today, so I figured I'd just give you guys a little video on how to do it. It's really simple, honestly. As long as you know how to put the carburetors on and how it all works, it's super simple. But one of the screws in here were stripped. So I had to weld a little bit on here to get it out. Kind of goofy, but yeah, you have to do what you have to do. But this is how it goes. Here's the grip. This is what you rev it with. From my understanding, it should go like this. Just by giving it a quick look over. Not 100% sure, but if not, I can always take it back apart. It's not hard to take apart. If I can get it in the damn sleeve. Well, first of all, this is not even the right end. Maybe I am a little slow, but it's okay. Right here, there we go. So I'm not actually putting it in right now, I'm just kind of showing you. It's gonna run through there, the frame. But you rev it, it's gonna pull on it. Because it's gonna be in there. It's gonna pull it. So I didn't look up any video, I'm just assuming that's how it goes, but if not, all I have to do is reverse what goes on which side. Currently got the heater going because it's like 20 degrees out right now in Wisconsin. It's actually a pretty warm day out, honestly. It feels really warm out compared to the last like 2 days. Day is it? It's the 27th of November currently. Also having some strut issues. The damn bolt stripped. So ended up cutting the head off, and I need to weld another head on there, or I don't know, drill it out maybe. And no, this nut on the end isn't keeping it in, because when I took this out first, it was still stuck in there really bad, and I heated up for a long time. So I think it's threaded in here. But yeah, that's also another project I got going on in this Shittaville, Bonneville. Does its job perfect though. I could put new control arms in, rear struts, tie rods, rotors, pads. Really just the absolute most beater car you've ever seen in your life, times 10. She's really rough, but absolutely runs perfect with that 3.8 liter. That 3.8 liter is legendary. She does its job though. Base model, of course, column shifter. I just did a video on this actually. This is technically my first car, but it isn't at the same time. Because I got the Expedition, 99 Expedition. I was actually taken home from the hospital, and then I bought this. I was given that, but this is the first car I bought with my own money. So I don't know if you count that. I would count that as my first car actually. But this has been extremely reliable. I've had it for over a year. Not one breakdown, no matter how rough this thing looks. It doesn't drive great. but it just goes and goes and goes. Alright, enough talking about this. Gotta get back to the Honda. Don't need to lose this screw. Damn screw fell out again. On it. Just gonna keep this in my pocket. I've actually never done this before, but I'm sure I can figure it out. It's pretty simple in the terms of it. I think it just goes in here. Or here, I guess. Because, let's see. No, it goes like this. Yeah, I can feel the stopper. Yeah. Alright, time to thread one of the cables in there. I don't think it matters which cable is which, honestly. I mean, it obviously matters when they go on the carburetors, but not up here. I think it does the same job. So tighten this. I wonder how that. Oh, there you go. Got it. Well, maybe it does matter. No, this one's bigger. Could be that melted portion on it. There you go. There we go. push it up. On the other side, I push it up to grab it. And then, which one did I say it was? Confusing myself. Yeah, it's over here. Because when you rev it, this is going to be the one that broke. I should show you the old one. It's over there. It just frayed. I think it was like down right here. It frayed. Doesn't look like there's anything sharp in there, so I just think there's wear. Because, yeah, just like that. I think. Definitely gonna be editing most of this out because kind of a nuisance. There you go, like that. Actually, this is gonna be the pull cable to pull the throttle back up, to snap it back. When before it broke, it would kind of stay at whatever throttle you put it on. So I wonder when I put it back, is this gonna fix the issue? Because it's not like it doesn't have a bunch of dirt caked in it and stuff like that. That's what I read online, at least. That's what happens, or grease, and it stops it from sliding, kicking back. So you physically have to bring it back yourself when you're laying off the throttle. Otherwise, it just sticks like that. I mean, that's like half true, because it was like slowly bring back. It won't snap back. It'll go like that. I don't know if I'm even getting good video at this moment, honestly. The GoPro is currently on my chest. So, I guess we'll find out. There's one though. Don't have it threaded in there like totally, but I'll do that a little bit later when I actually get it on there. Knowing me, I would forget though. So this should fit. Well. Don't think. Son of a bitch. I still do have the old push cable, so well, that's not good. Not good at all. Let's see, force it. Man, it's always something. I wonder if I'd be able to thread it if I take the flare down off. So I might be able to just cut it off. Don't want to risk cutting the cable though. It's always something. trying to think. These two look identical. These two lines. So not sure about that. I don't want to risk cutting the line though. That really suck. Well, I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, I'm back. Turns out this stripe just sent me the wrong cable. You know, it was guaranteed to fit. Of course. So, I ended up using the old cable for one of the old cables because not only one of them snapped. So, I obviously cut that off. I'm gonna make it work. Hopefully it does work. I mean, I don't know if you can see that down there, but they move back and forth, so that's all that matters, right? As long as they work. Fuck it, right? A little bit annoyed. I mean, I could always just order a new one and probably get a refund, but I'm not waiting longer. I haven't had this bike for all summer. Sure, it's just about winter now. I would still ride it though, 100%. It's not a big deal. I'm not gonna ride it in the snow, obviously, but like being cold out, it's not a big deal to me. But like once again, I haven't run all summer. Just been sitting here, and I just want to ride it. You know, I don't want to wait any longer. I mean, I did get to ride it a little bit when I put the carburetor back on, but of course something else happens. But I'll see you guys when I put the carburetor back on. Get you guys running footage. Hey guys, back. You can see it's a little different. It's actually been like 10 days, I think. I don't even remember the last day I recorded when I was putting this back together. I think it was like November or something. It's now December 9th. And like I said before, she's back together. I honestly don't even remember the reason why I just didn't finish recording out. I put it back together, went riding, came back and just completely forgot about it. But here she is, all together. Seat doesn't look down, but your weight keeps it down. Take it for a little ride for you guys, real quick. Just around the block at least. Alright. There's that. Figured I'd give you guys just a little demonstration of how the throttle cable worked putting it in. That's pretty much it. I'll give you guys a full video on the drive someday. It's kind of chilly out, so I don't give you guys a full drive right now, but otherwise that's that. Bye.